flammable aerosol do, yeah, I've adapted a nozzle here out of fucking whatever fucking Vicks Vapor I think that is, yeah. Just to put it on the top so I can put the balloon over the top, right? Now, do not want to fill these things up full. Once you've got it over the top, lean it down to get like actual liquid gas in there and not just the air. That's quite excessive.
Not a good idea to be smoking around it neither.
Nah, that's not a good idea really, no. Like next week I'll show you how to make napalm. In fact, I'll just tell you how to make napalm. Just put, like,
hang on, put it on YouTube, not yet.
Right,
that'll be for episode 2.
Right, that's your bottom. If you take a bit of fucking string, which is flammable, if I dipped it in turps to make it flammable, it would be too corrosive for the balloon and it would like pop it. So you have to take just a piece of fucking string. Find something to chop with. Because this is like synthetic, this string, it's going to burn. It's going to burn really easy. Oh, fuck's sake. Hello. Hi. Make yourself a little like fucking loop. That's your fuse. Put it around the end there. Tie it up so it's got a bit to burn. Put a weight on this, you could link this like quite a distance.
Here's a bin we prepared earlier.
You could link it quite a distance and then chuck it onto the top of the roof or anything like that. Quite easy, right? Just getting a little wacky step with it. Just gonna go with us. Go and sit down over there out of the way. Yeah, Missy, you out of the way. Right. And then all you need is a lighter. Stay there. Oh, just make the edge.
Fuck yeah. Yeah man, not bad.